Hello everyone, welcome to Swagger Swoon. I'm going to show you how to tie a Nicky knot in your tie today. So for this one, it's much like the half Windsor, but you actually start with the tie the wrong way around. So you want this seam on the outside, like so. You want quite a lot of length on your wider end. This one does use a little bit of fabric. And you want to start by crossing your thinner end over the top of your wider end, like this. You then take your long end up and down through the neckline there. Like so, give it a tighten up and come out this way before wrapping that one over, up the back, like that, and then back down through that loop you've just made. Now adjust the tightness of the knot using your front piece here, and then you can get it tighter up to the top button using that back one there. And as you can see, it's quite a nice shaped knot where it's got quite a wide top and quite a narrow base there. And you can tuck your tail in the loop at the back, like so. But there you have it, that's the Nicky knot.